Welcome to the first class of our SQL tutorial series. In this series we'll explore everything you need to know about SQL, the language used to manage and interact with databases. So whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, you're in the right place. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is SQL? SQL, or Structured Query Language, is a querying language designed specifically for managing, storing, and manipulating data within relational databases. It's the tool you'll use to interact with your database, retrieve data, and modify records, all while keeping things organized. Now, you might be wondering, what is a programming language? A programming language is a formal set of instructions that allows us to communicate with computers. These instructions are used to write software, control systems, and manipulate data. Think of it as a bridge between humans and computers, telling the machine what to do. Some examples of popular programming languages are Java, Python, C++, JavaScript, and C#. Each language has its own use cases and syntax, but they all help us tell the computer how to perform tasks. Now let's clear up a common question. Is SQL a programming language? Technically, SQL is a query language, not a full-fledged programming language. Unlike Python or Java, it doesn't involve writing algorithms or controlling program flow. Instead, SQL is used specifically for managing and interacting with relational databases. With SQL, you don't need to worry about loops or complex logic. Instead, it's focused on tasks like querying databases to retrieve data, inserting, updating, and deleting data, and creating and modifying database structures like tables and views. Despite its simplicity, SQL offers powerful commands such as select, insert, update, and delete to manipulate your data effectively. Let's take a look at databases. What exactly is a database? A database is a digital system that stores and manages various types of data like text, numbers, images, and even videos. Think of it as a giant virtual filing cabinet for your information. And a database management system, or DBMS, is the software that helps you manage, create, and manipulate these databases. A good database has a few key features: organized storage, efficient access, and security and scalability. First, data is stored in structured formats such as tables or key-value pairs. This organized storage makes it easier to manage and retrieve information. Next, advanced querying capabilities ensure efficient access, allowing you to retrieve data quickly. Finally, robust security measures protect your data, and scalability features allow the database to grow as your data grows. Now, what's a relational database? A relational database stores data in tables. Imagine each table as a drawer in a filing cabinet, organizing related pieces of information. This structure makes it easy to retrieve, update, and manage data efficiently. Relational databases have some distinct features: tables, relations, and efficiency. Data is stored in rows and columns, with each row representing a record and each column representing a piece of information. This tabular format makes it straightforward to organize and find data. Additionally, data can be linked across tables, like connecting customer data with order data. This relational structure enhances efficiency, allowing for quick access and easy management of your data. Let's take a quick look at the history of SQL. SQL was developed in the 1970s based on the relational data model, originally called SQL, which was later shortened to SQL. In 1986, it became officially standardized by ANSI. Oracle was the first company to offer a commercial SQL-based relational database system. Since then, SQL has evolved to become a vital tool in the world of data management. So, what's SQL used for? SQL is used across many industries including business, government, and research. Data professionals, like data analysts, scientists, and database developers, use SQL to interact with databases, manage data, and extract valuable insights. Some of the most common tasks you'll perform with SQL include creating, modifying, and deleting database tables, inserting, updating, and deleting data, retrieving data with select queries, grouping data using count, sum, and AVG, joining tables to combine related data, and more. SQL allows you to do everything you need to manage your database effectively. Why is SQL so important? First, SQL is universal and widely used in almost all industries for data retrieval and analysis. It's easily integrated with other programming languages like Java. Its simple English-like syntax makes it easy to learn. And it's the industry standard for managing relational databases, making it an essential skill for anyone working with data. One of the most popular relational database systems is MySQL. MySQL is an open-source, high-performance RDBMS provided by Oracle. It's free to use and works on various platforms, including Windows, Linux, and cloud servers. MySQL is especially popular for web applications. Let's clarify the difference between SQL and MySQL. SQL is a language for querying databases, while MySQL is an RDBMS that uses SQL as its query language. In simple terms, SQL is the language, and MySQL is the software that manages the database using SQL. Next, let's talk about NoSQL. NoSQL, or not only SQL, refers to non-relational databases that are used to handle large volumes of unstructured or semi-structured data. Types of NoSQL databases include document-based databases like MongoDB, key-value stores like Redis, and graph databases like Neo4j. NoSQL is perfect for modern applications that need flexibility and scalability. Finally, let's compare SQL and NoSQL. SQL is best for applications requiring complex transactions and structured data, like banking or e-commerce, where data integrity is crucial. NoSQL is better for handling unstructured data and dynamic workloads, like social media or real-time analytics. That wraps up Session 1 of our SQL tutorial series. In the next session, we'll dive deeper into SQL syntax and learn how to perform basic queries. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching.